Oh, the master bedroom with walk-in bathroom. Closet space. More closet space. Second bedroom. Second bathroom. Third bedroom.
Did you get Jay-Z? Yeah, I saw it. Contact Jay. Yeah. Ask him how we should go about it.
Exactly, because I was like, you know, he had to. Jay needs to trigger the.
Third bedroom or bathroom.
Jay, schedule, fly, you know, Mr. Koo to Hawaii. We'll meet you guys halfway there, and we'll have a meeting.
Right.
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Boom, as simple as that. Does Mr. Koo speak English or just Korean?
Jay has to be there.
So he's gonna be the interpreter.
Yeah, how much anybody else?
Yeah.
So you want your own?
You want your own.
Mm. Well, I thought Jay was your guy.
Yeah, because Jay's a little shady.
Oh, okay.
He's always wants one of these, you know.
That's right.
No, he does.
Okay.
You know, he always wants something.
Okay, so we have.
He's always trying to figure out how he can.
All right, outside.
Okay, so we have.
Back down. On the boat. Dinghy.